Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And if you've read the title of this video, you know it's time for the giveaway. So, as you can see, we made it to the 500 subscribers that we were trying to get to, and I have this big old box of items just packed full. It is some tools, some decorations, some nail polishes. I believe there's even a couple of Builder in the Bottles in there. It's just an assortment of things that I've been gathering up for a little while now. And so we're gonna give it away to one of you. In order to enter this giveaway, you do have to be subscribed to this channel. You have to have your subscriptions on public so that I'm able to see it. And then you do have to comment in the description, enter me, and also which item you're most interested in. So enter me and then something about which item you're interested in, and then that's all you really have to do. I'm gonna use a random comment generator to pick the winner, and then of course I will check to see if you're public so that I can see that subscription, and if you are, you're the winner, and if not, then I will generate another one and we'll move on to the next one. I am gonna leave this open for 2 weeks. I will include the specific dates and times in the description based on when I actually post this, so it'll be 2 weeks from the date of posting. You do have to live in the continental US, unfortunately, to win. I can't afford to ship it internationally is really the situation. So continental US, definitely you can go ahead and enter, and then please also just make sure you stick around after this giveaway for all my upcoming videos, and our next milestone is 1,000 subscribers, and hopefully we can do something bigger when we get there. Let me know in the comments as well if you have any ideas what I should do when I get to 1,000 to celebrate, but I want to go through the box and show you what's in it, so let's do that. So first we do have this little container. It's just like a little zip pouch. I use these to store my decorations. I've got these plastic boxes with individual things and they fit into these really well. And I just picked this one because I thought it was kind of cute, and I figured if you didn't already have some sort of storage set up, this could help you with some of the stuff that's in the box. I also have these Nikita Dragon press-ons from McCart. They sent me these in one of the Your Nail Lab boxes, but I don't wear nails this long. These things are like uber long, so maybe this is something you would enjoy, or you know somebody who would that you could give it to. I also got a small assorted packet of these stencils. Each page has an assortment on here, and then there are multiple pages. This is really helpful if you just need to do some consistent design with a bit of ease. I also got a pack of swatch sticks. I know a lot of people don't make swatches, but I do, and so I find these really handy because you can just like hold them over your nail and see what that's gonna look like and get an idea, peruse through your polishes in hand without having to look at all of the bottles. And then also you can use these for practice. If you want to try something new, practice it on a stick first, and so these are really great to have. I did also include some polishes. This is LA Colors Color Last in the shade Infinite. It's a bit of a mauve-y color. You could use this for a dark nude if that's your vibe, or if you just like, you know, mauve-y pinks. It's a decent color. Also, China Glaze Liquid Leather. This is just a plain, opaque, solid black staple color. You always need black polish, if not for wearing on its own, but for nail art. Also, China Glaze Orange Knockout. This orange is a lot more neon in person than it is in the camera. The reason this one is included is because I accidentally bought 2, and I was like, well, I guess I can give one away. You can put this orange and this black together come Halloween time, which we're not quite there yet, but it is coming up. There's also this Gel Favor gel nail polish. It's a Builder in a Bottle. It's super thick, and I cannot recall what color it is. Let's look. So there is some supplies in here with the bottle. Oh, it's some of those paper forms if you know how to use those. And so let's see what we have. I also have some of this myself. It was on sale in doubles, and so I was like, might as well get both instead of just one, save money. All right, so this one's a purple. If you like purple and stability, this is a great way to go about that. I also have this little collection of pots. They contain like shell fragments. So if you're into encapsulating shell bits, there's quite a bit of it here. It looks like we've got about 2 different shades. There may even be a slight difference between these 2 shades, making it actually 3 shades, but these are pretty similar in my opinion. And then also, this is a packet of stickers. I have a set of this as well. Again, it came in a 2-pack, but they're just all different. Every page is a little bit different. You can cut these to use small sections, or you can cover your whole nail and then definitely, seal it in with a top coat so it doesn't peel up. But this is a great assortment of gold stickers, and gold is a staple color. You can use it for a lot of stuff. I've also included some charms. These are little iridescent flowers. They might be tulips probably. I also have these. Accidentally got 2 packs because I ordered one and they sent me 2. And so I was like, okay, well, let's include it. I did also give you a magnet. If you've got magnetic polishes, you can use this. This end makes like a flower design, and this end makes some dots in a row. This is not the typical magnet that comes with magnetic polishes, so I figured I'd give you a little something else. I've also got some stamping plates. If you haven't tried stamping yet, you absolutely should. It's fantastic. You do want to get some stamping polish though. It does work a lot better than trying to do this with regular nail polish, but I just got some pretty average designs that could be used in numerous situations, so it's not too specific. And then this one is a little bit more eccentric but also super cute. I think my favorite one on here might be these ladybugs. And then some flowers and butterflies. Everybody likes to jazz it up from time to time. And to go with those stamping plates, I do have a stamper and a scraper for you. You're gonna need those. Okay, and then this is another packet of gold stickers, but these are like small individual stickers, not a sheet that you have to cut down, and it comes with a really sharp tweezer. These are the same tweezers that you see me use in every one of my videos that I use tweezers, but these are sharp. They are dangerous. I have poked a hole in my finger before, so be really careful. I've also got this little sticker sheet. They're just a little bit of a marbly geode design. You can just stick this on like a plain color polish, and it's a easy and quick bit of something to give it a little bit of pizzazz. I don't know if you can see these very well. If I hold it like this, I think you can. The glare is not so bad. These are going to be great for Christmas. I know we're not there yet, but these are going to be that time of year. It's snowflakes and a tree and some like icicles that go around your cuticle. You don't have to wait till Christmas specifically. These are winter nails, so it's a little bit of something, but they do also have a little Xmas if that's what you want to do. I also included some tools. These are silicone tools. You can use these for rubbing down transfer foils or for applying chrome powders, things like that, but as well as shaping gel. If you use polygel, builder gel, solid nail glue gel these days, that type of stuff, you can use this to push it into little shapes to make your custom charms. I also included some brushes. I use these for cleanup mostly, and they are something that you're gonna have to replace from time to time because acetone does deteriorate your brushes, but there's several, so it'll last you a little while. Bigger ones for bigger jobs, smaller ones for smaller jobs. If you want to use it for application, absolutely you can. And then on this side is some dotting tools. They are double-ended and from super tiny all the way up to kind of big, so you should be able to make whatever size dot you need. These are super handy. This box is nail art brushes. They're actually really nice nail art brushes. They're pretty, but the box isn't open so I cannot show them to you. I suppose I could open it, but I figure why? Maybe I'll just leave this to be a surprise. I also included this packet. We've got a rhinestone picker tool, also called a wax pencil. This helps you pick up rhinestones and place them. It makes your life 10 times easier. It also has a bent tweezer in here that you can use if you prefer working with a bent tweezer. And then also a packet of rhinestones. These are just plain AB assorted from small to large round rhinestones, no unusual shapes. These are really great for a beginner at nail art and rhinestones. I recommend placing these with a 4 rhinestones only from China Glaze if you use regular nail polish, and if you use gel, you can stick these right in the top coat or into a rhinestone glue if you're wanting to do like a big rhinestone placement. This one is also closed, so I'm not going to open it up, but basically it's a little kit of nail maintenance tools. There's like a nail clipper, nail file, little nail scissors, little scrapers, that sort of stuff. So you've got this handy packet with all of your essentials on hand. You can keep it with you in your purse, in your car, travel with it, or you can keep it at your nail station if this is what you want to use, but it's just handy to have your basic tools on hand. And then lastly is this thing. This actually isn't nail related, but I think it's the most cool thing in the world, so let me show you what it is. So it looks like this, and this part is magnetic, and it opens up like this. And so you sit this part on the edge of a table, and then you've got this hook that hangs, and this is so you can hang your purse on the side of a table. Like, for example, let's say you go out to a restaurant and you don't want to put your purse in the floor or on the back of your chair where you can't watch it and someone may walk by and touch it. You can hang this on the side of the table, hang your purse on it, and it is right there by you where you can see it and not on the nasty floor. And when I discovered these, I was amazed. I was like, what is that? That's fantastic. So I had to include one. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. Just to recap, to enter, you must be subscribed, you must have your subscriptions on public, you must comment, enter me, plus which item is your favorite or you're most interested in, and then I will do a random draw in 2 weeks from the date of posting, and then I'll make a separate video to announce the winner. As a matter of fact, also comment the handle or username that you want to be contacted on should you be the winner. So if you want me to contact you on Instagram, then include in your enter me contact your Instagram name so I can find you. TikTok, same thing. Facebook, same thing. That's probably going to be the limitations of which social media choices you have. So definitely leave me whichever method you want, what your name is, because I'm going to have to be able to match that up with whoever I'm speaking to just to make sure it's the right person. There's been an issue in people's giveaways before where people will lie and say, oh, that's me, I'm the winner, and then the real winner doesn't get their stuff. And so we don't want to do that. We want to make sure that everything is on the up and up. But that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here with me on this journey. I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.